Hey y'all, so welcome back to Exclusive Tina, where everything is exclusive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, hey friends. So before I get into this video, I want to shout out all 5,000 of my subscribers. I think it's a little bit more than 5,000. I think I'm at 5,028, I think. But I wanted to give a shout out to all of my subscribers because we finally hit 5,000. My goal this year is to reach 10,000 subscribers. So we're halfway there. Woo! So I'm super excited about that. But today I want to get into my 2-year and 2-month lock update. Before I get started, I want to give y'all a little 360. Whew. Okay. Not retwisted my hair since May to June, to July. It's been 2 months since I've last retwisted my entire head. I did do a lazy girl retwist and I really wanted to record it, but for some reason my MacBook, I be wanting to throw it against the wall because I got a new SD card and it didn't want to read it. And I had to erase everything off the SD card. So I was just struggling trying to figure that out. But I'm going to have to make a video on how I do like a little lazy girl retwist. But I only did the middle part and then I did the 2 rows in the front and the rest just kind of hanged out and just chilled. The rest was an afro. But I do always like this stage of like not having a retwist because it kind of gives me more volume. I always say that. But I am ready for my retwist because even though it gives me volume, it does take away some of my length. But that was the last time that I retwisted my hair. I do plan on doing a retwist next week. I feel like my hair is growing so freaking fast. I don't know why. I don't know how. Because I haven't really been washing my hair. I washed my hair like once since the last time I retwisted my hair. And that was for my 2-year lock update retwist video. But I haven't been oiling my scalp. Like I've gotten super lazy when it comes to oiling my scalp. And the one thing that I can think of why my hair might be growing is because I started drinking green tea every morning. That could be a factor. I don't really know the benefits of drinking green tea, but the way like my scalp just is, it's like a mini afro back there. And I can feel like my curls like trying to peek through. I'm gonna have to show y'all. Let's see. And the reason why I know like most of this is new growth because I can tell where I retwisted my hair the last time. Like right there, that's where I retwisted. I only washed my hair once, so like my retwist is low-key kind of still in there. See the curls, the curl pattern. But that's the only thing that I've changed with like my diet is drinking green tea every morning. And I think that might be benefiting like my hair health. So I will still continue to drink green tea, but I don't know what's going on with my hair because it's just sprouting. It's just growing. Do y'all see the curls? Like it just has like a natural shine to it. I have not oiled my scalp in a long time. I can't even tell you the last time I decided to oil my scalp. So I'm kind of concerned with my hairline. Well, not my hairline, but like my edges. They probably look normal. But I kind of feel like up in here, it looks a little thin. It looks a little sparse, but then again, I'm just like, it kind of always been looking like that. Just push my edges back. But I don't know. And I honestly don't think it's because of the locks. I honestly do not think it's because of the locks. I think it's because I found a new edge control and I've been laying my edges every day. Those edge control brushes are so rough and the bristles on them are so like coarse. They're hard. I do think it's causing my hair to like be pulled off or broken off. But I don't think it's from, because on this side, I don't think it's from my locks. I really don't. I really think this is self-inflicted because I want to lay my edges every day. But the edge control is bomb. I have to make a video about it and show y'all how I lay my edges. But I've been looking for the best edge control for the longest time ever. And this one, it does the job every single time. You can see my edges are still kind of laid. But yeah, I'm just kind of keeping an eye on that. I am going to start oiling my hairline again. But I 100% think that it's from laying my edges every morning and using that really hard edge control brush. Another thing that I've noticed with my locks, I think I might have a little bit of lint or a little bit of buildup. I don't think it's from my gel. I really don't. I am a firm believer that it's not from my retwisting gel. I think it was from the shampoo I was using because I wasn't using the sulfur 8 that I usually use. I was using Head & Shoulders and I was using some other moisturizing shampoo and it just kind of stuck in my locks and I need to get it out of my locks. So I do plan on doing another lock detox just to get all that gunk out in the back. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really like kind of around my roots. I just really don't think that it's from my retwisting gel. But yeah, I don't know if you can really tell or not, but I can tell. I can see it back there when I'm trying to make videos or when I'm washing my hair and I see it like in the mirror. I can see the little buildup I do have back there. So I initially planned on doing a lock detox once a year. I did one last year in the summertime, so now it's the summertime again and I do plan on doing another lock detox and I kind of am interested to see what all is going to come out of my hair. So of course I am going to record that or try my best to record that content for y'all. My Loc Sprinkles, I'm thinking about taking them out. I don't know yet, but they're still in there. They're still cute. Some of them have came out. I don't know. I feel like some of them kind of migrated to like the very tip of my locks and they just be falling out. So I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep them in or not, but I feel like people are always moving into my building. Like, go move somewhere else. We don't want you here. Because it just be like, why you gotta move in my building? But anyways, anything else with my locks? Oh, I don't know. Call me a little crazy, but I kind of want to cut my locks. Like a little trim, like a little trimmy trim. Like, not the whole head, okay? Kind of like right here. Because as you can tell, my hair grows in layers and it just looks a little straggly to me. It looks a little straggly. But then again, I'm just like, I don't want to regret cutting my hair, but I would love them to be kind of like a little bob. But of course it's gonna grow out, but I don't know. I just kind of want to cut that off right there. But I don't know. I get a little scissor happy and then I end up cutting off more than I really wanted to. But y'all see that hang time on my shoulders now. Girl got some serious length going on. And hold on, y'all see this ponytail right here? Y'all see this? Watch this. I can do a ponytail now. Okay, this might not be the best because I can't really see what it looks like because I'm looking at my viewfinder. But some of them do fall out. I just kind of find a place. And tuck it in. But isn't it so cute? Like, I've been wearing my hair like this all summer, and I'm trying to be cautious because tension. I have fine hair, and I know tension can be like a little dangerous when it comes to fine. I know that tension can cause, you know, traction alopecia and all that stuff. So I'm just been really cautious now that I am able to put my hair up. Hold on. You don't know how to back that thing up in there? Like, you're messing up my whole video because you can't back up the dang truck. And you got like so much space. Okay, you're good now. But anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, so I'm very cautious about putting my hair up because I don't want to cause any more attention to my hairline. But this is what it looks like. I'm a little afraid to show you what the back looks like, but I'm gonna show you anyways. I don't really care about the back because, I mean, other people see it, but I don't see it. I just care about the front and how it looks. Oh my gosh. But I just care about the front and how it looks, so I've been rocking it like this, especially in this heat, y'all. It's been so hot outside. So when I'm running or anytime that I'm like outside for real, I just been putting it up. And also, like, this might be kind of gross, but when I took a bite into my sandwich one day, this is how I knew I needed to start putting my hair up. Because I like to eat. But when I took a bite into my sandwich, I accidentally caught my lock. Like, my lock was in my mouth. And I was a little disgusted. But then I got, like, happy. Because I was like, oh, my hair is finally long. But it was like it was kind of gross. But still, that's not the point. The point is, my hair is at a length where I have to, like, recognize that my hair is long. And I need to tuck it behind my ear before I bite into my food. But yeah. Sometimes I be wishing that my locks were like a tad bit thicker. Like, I wish I had more hair on my head, but there's nothing I can do about that. Sometimes I be thinking like, should I go micro locks? But then it's just like, I don't really want to comb out my locks. I don't really want to start over this whole Loc Journey situation. And on top of that, I don't want to spend multiple hours just to like retwist my hair or retighten my hair. And I just know that I'll probably get the fullness that I want. However, like I said, I'm not trying to spend a whole day trying to retwist my hair. But yeah, sometimes I just wish that, you know, I couldn't see the wall through my locks. So how is y'all's Loc journeys going? Because I feel like I haven't really heard anything about y'all's Loc journeys. Are y'all still locked out here? Are y'all still locked out here, or have y'all, you know, combed them out? It's okay, you can tell me the truth. I won't judge you. But yeah, this is just my little 2-year and 2-month Loc update. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see my face a little bit more, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.